Good evening. The benchmark Indian equity indices managed to recover smartly from the afternoon tumble that was triggered by S&P's move to cut outlook on India's rating to negative from stable. The rating agency also downgraded the outlook on three major IT companies besides seven public sector companies. But the market pulled back from intraday lows due to speculation that a downgrade of India's rating from investment grade may not happen. Comments from the finance ministers and Moody's reaffirming its outlook on India also partly helped in recovery. After opening on a flattish note, the Indian markets turned choppy and traded in a narrow range in the morning session. However, stocks witnessed a sudden sell-off after Standard & Poor's rating services revised the outlook on the long-term rating to negative from stable. This saw the NSE Nifty to hit an intraday low of 5,116. The BSE Sensex was down by 56 points to close at 17,151 and the NSE Nifty was down by 21 points to close at 5,202. The India VIX on the NSE ended lower by 1.6% to close at 18.94. The BSE Mid-Cap Index and the BSE Small-Cap Index fell by 0.5% each. Out of the 50 stocks in the Sensex, the notable losers were Wipro, GAIL, BHAIL, TCS, Coal, M&M, NTPC and ONGC. Among the major gainers included Bharti Airtel, Hero MotoCorp, Sterlite, Maruti, HDFC Bank, Tata Power and Tata Motors. S&P also said that it expects the India's current account deficit to widen to 3.7% of GDP in FY12 compared to 2.6% a year ago. The Stocks Europe 600 index was up by 0.8%. The FTSE 100 index was up only marginally after data unexpectedly showed the British economy slipping into recession in the first quarter of 2012. The DAX in Germany and the CAC in France were up by 1.6% and 1.2% respectively. Thank you. Wish you have a great evening ahead.